Hi there. Have you ever think about investing in Portugal? Do you have a company already in Portugal, or you would like to get to be residents in Portugal and get access to European market area? If you would like to know more, watch this video. Stay tuned. Today we'll be talking about the D2 visa for Portugal. It's called D2 for entrepreneurs. We will give our best to example what it is, how is it, some advantage, some of the necessary documents and the process and more. Normally, the D2 visa for Portugal, also known as immigrant entrepreneur visa. It's not very popular in the internet and there is no many people doesn't know. It's a type of visa for those outside the European Union and Schengen area who would like to open an investing activity in Portugal. This is one of the many types of Portugal visa you would like to apply in order to get your residence permit. You will be able to live and benefit from all the advantages that bring you as Portugal and EU residents. You might be thinking that you need to open a large company and employ dozens of employees when you compare to other visas. But that's not the case here for this type of visa. It's true that Portuguese government have the ability to issue others visa like the golden visa, which is very popular, but that's need a hell a lot more than money. In this case, the D2 visa, it's totally different. You have to show to the Portuguese government that you have the intention of being an entrepreneur and hosting your activity in Portugal. We are talking about small to medium business with some relevance in social, economic, technological, scientific, or culture areas. In case you already have your own company in Portugal, you can also apply for the Portugal D2 visa. Generally, essential requirement for the D2 visa, there are some things you need to be able to prove before applying to this visa and convince the Portuguese government that you really deserve the chance to become part of the Portuguese startup or the Portuguese business system. The country needs to see value in your activity and that you really have the means to open your activity. In short, some of the priorities you should focus in. Number one, a proof of business visibility. You will need to show a study that say why you're coming to Portugal, why you benefit from being in Portugal. For example, if you have a business in India and this business related to e-education, online education, and you have been very successful and you would like to move to the European Union. So one of the easiest thing is to get this D2 visa and use your history and expertise in running the company in India, and you say you would like to penetrate the European markets through Portugal, so that could be like a business visibility. The second thing is a solid business plan. You need to show on this business plan how much you will invest, where you invested, how you invested, and the expected return on investment. You will be investing yourself or will be other partners who will investing in you, and then you have to do other things, which is getting more information about the social capital, why you would like to invest in Portugal, and how the Portuguese economy or government in general will benefit. And this could be evidenced by say I would like to employ in the first year two Portuguese national, and the second year I will double this to 4 or 6 or 8 depending on how business is growing. I will be able to use the resources in Portugal, which will be benefit the whole ecosystem. And then the last thing, number 4, is reason why you choose Portugal. You need to include in your application why you would choose Portugal. For example, why Portugal and not Spain? Why Portugal and not Ireland? Why Portugal and not Germany? From our experience dealing with Portugal applications through conferred verified lawyers in Portugal, generally you can use different things. Like Portugal is much lower cost compared to other countries like Germany, Netherlands, Norway. you'll be able not just to access the EU market, but you can also access the Portuguese speaking countries. There is a couple of Africans and also the American Latin, which speak Portuguese. That's like for example Brazil. That you need to show on your application, and then the application will be approved. We'll be providing more information about this kind of application on the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, and please subscribe to watch more. This is Mohammed Abu Shanab speaking to you from our London office. Thank you.